know, y'all. Look like we might be in for some bad weather. Look at how them trees move. Hear the wind. But hey, rain, sleet, or snow. Y'all back to Chaz is gonna bring y'all that fun time smoke. So with that being said, we'll be back here in a minute. It's getting pretty windy outside, but hey, still look good out here. All right, back in a minute. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome out back to Chaz. Today, you guys, we're doing 2 spare ribs, and we also have some oxtails. So with that being said, I want to thank God for waking me, blessing me, keeping me in my right mind, giving me my health and strength to come back today and bring me another fun time smoke. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get these 2 slabs on. Got the grill where we want it, and we're going to go ahead and put the oxtails on as well. So you give me a minute, I'll be right back and I'll show you the food. Guys, I am back, and as you can see, we got the food all on the grill. Let me raise it up, see if you guys can see that. Spare ribs right there, covered with mustard and now back to Chaz all-purpose seasoning, and we've got the oxtails that are covered in the pepper, garlic, lemon pepper, Saison, and black pepper. Get a good look at that. So we're just putting this on. So we're going to continue this fun time smoke. We'll be back here in a minute. And we're using apple cider vinegar and water as a spritzer as well for today. So with that, guys, I am back. And like I said, I'm sorry I didn't bring you guys the prep like I normally do, but I had some stuff going on in the house. So I just went ahead and got done. Got some babies sleeping. So I had to come outside and just get straight to it, you know. So, hey, sometimes you got to do that. But hey, we started out just a little bit over 300 on the grill. I opened it up. We're right about at 215 now on the grill. So as I said, we used the Outback Chaz all-purpose seasoning and mustard on the spare ribs, and we used black pepper, garlic, sea salt. What was the other stuff we used on there? Lemon pepper, Saison, and there was something else I'm forgetting, basil on the oxtails. So we're gonna see how that turns out. No mustard was put on those, but mustard was on the 2 spare ribs. So with that, we just got everything on the grill. The grill is right now at about 250. So we're gonna go ahead and continue this fun time smoke, and we'll be back here in a minute. Back, and this is how the food is doing so far. Got the small pieces of the oxtail up there. Here are some of the more bigger pieces. I'm not trying to rush this because I'm going to use some beef juice and green pepper and onion, and I'm going to put all that in there and I'm going to let that cook. I just wanted to get some color. Here are the ribs. You can see how they're turning out. I moved some of the oxtails up into the middle. They're not touching, they're just in the middle. There's the other spare rib right there. So it's getting pretty windy out here. It blew my phone over about 3 times now, and I'm thankful that it didn't crack my screen. But hey, I'm still out here with this fun time smoke. So with that, back in a minute, guys. Back and we're gonna get ready to wrap the ribs. Look at those. We're gonna wrap those. There's the other one. And we got our oxtails. We're gonna move all the oxtails straight onto the direct heat. We're gonna move the ribs off to the offset cook. Then we're gonna wrap them. And we got those up there as well. It's getting pretty windy out here. It was raining just a few minutes ago. But hey, like I said, rain, sleet, or snow, Outback with Chaz is gonna bring y'all that fun time smoke. So with that being said, we're gonna continue this fun time smoke, and I'll be back here in a minute. All right, guys, I am back. We're gonna move the spare ribs to the back side, and we're gonna move everything else towards the heat. So we're gonna offset cook these, but I had to do it. Y'all see it. So we're gonna set that back there. Let's grab the other one. Set him on top of that one. We're gonna move everything else to the front. So that means all the oxtails are coming to the front. We're gonna get these really going. Like I said, it's getting a little bit more windy out here right now. So I want to get these some brown brown this on them so I can continue to cook with the beef gravy. Well, not beef gravy, but beef sauce and green pepper and onion. All right, back in a minute, guys. All right, guys, I am back. We're gonna check on the oxtails. Color on them oxtails. Stop playing with me, y'all. Stop playing with me. Look at that. Stop playing. They cooking still, y'all. I gotta turn that one on the side. Yeah, they cooking. Once these get more color on them, then I go in the house and get that beef broth, onion, and green pepper. And I'm gonna put it in that, wrap it up, and let it finish out this Fontan smoke. We got the ribs still stacked up. We're getting ready to wrap those. So with that, we'll be back here in a minute, and we'll continue this Fontan smoke. Back in a minute. Alright guys, I am back. Look at them oxtails. Stop playing with me, y'all. Y'all playing. Stop playing. Y'all see the color. That's right. There the other one's right there. Stop playing with me, y'all. That's alright, y'all. Keep playing with me. I keep playing this game until I show y'all something. Apparently I ain't showed you nothing yet, but I will real soon. Just keep watching. 2 spare ribs up there wrapped up. So now I'm gonna go in the house and cut up the onion and the green pepper, and pour the beef broth in the pan. Come out, we're gonna stuff all those into the pan, wrap them up, and just set them on the grill and let them cook. Finish out this Fontan smoke. Once everything's done, I'll cut it up and you'll see the aftermath. All right, back in a minute. And we're back. Now y'all can see I got 2 spare ribs right here wrapped up on the grill. I can't tell y'all how long I've been out here, y'all, because I just came outside right around 1 something. So I don't know, it might be close to 4 hours. It's gonna be a little longer because I just put the oxtails inside with the onion and green pepper and yellow pepper. So with that being said, we'll be back here. We're gonna let this Fontan smoke continue, and when it's done, I'll bring you guys back to cut up footage of the ribs, and I'll show you how the oxtail turned out. All right, back in a minute. This is how it all coming together. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna close this out, but I am gonna come back and let you guys see how it finished. If you like the video, hit that like, share, and subscribe. Remember to follow me on Instagram without Bacon Chaz, TikTok without Bacon Chaz. I appreciate each and every one of you who has been supporting me thus far on my journey. I appreciate all the new subscribers who have come aboard and all those who have come and left. We got the rib tips over here, spare ribs over here, and here's the other spare rib. That's the lid. I'm gonna ready to cover this up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. And thanks for watching. Later, guys. All right, guys, all cut up. Got both the spare ribs over here. Stop playing with me. Y'all see it? And the oxtails over here. All right, guys, I'm done. This is all finished and cut up and ready to eat. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.